Americans be like,
What's up, man? You driving like a grandma, dude. What? Come on, man.
Jamaicans be like,
Hey, fuck it, don't come out the road. I watch when your blood clot.
Americans be like,
Yeah, and you're such an asshole, man.
Jamaicans be like,
You come and sound like a batty boy. Move your blood.
Americans be like,
Yo, dog, man. I banged that bitch, yo. It was sick, yo. You'd even know, bro.
Jamaicans be like,
Yo, you said you give the girl some blood clot for class night, you see that?
Americans be like,
Oh, what the fuck, man? No, man. You can't do that, man. You can't piss up my face, man. Man, piss up.
Yellow, chat.
Hey, man. Shut up. What the fuck, man?
Jamaicans be like,
Yo, take out that blood clot from me gate.
What the fuck am I supposed to take a
Take
pee,
up that man.
Americans be like,
I'm hungry. What a beautiful day. What the fuck, man? What you doing in my tree, bro? I'm gonna call the motherfucking police, what? I'm gonna call the police. I'll warn you how much time, man.
Who's the guy gonna
Hello,
blood
hello.
clot police?
I got this guy.
Jamaicans be like,
Damn, I got a man go for grandma.
Yo, pussy. Wallace, put back in blood clot.
Americans be like,
Damn, girl, you fine as fuck, man. I got a house, I got a car, I got everything you want, man. Come on. I know you want me, man.
Jamaicans be like,
Alright, baby. Like, run like an English phone. I mean, if you have my belly. Yo, you may talk to you now. Hold on, man. Take that, man. Go on. Can you tell me your number, your Facebook?
Americans be like,
Yo, mommy, you say
Oh, shit, man. That slap was the bomb, bro.
Jamaicans be like,
Yo, mommy, you say Bombo clock down. Yo, do that again, dog.
yo, what up? You know, it's a boy Jane, you know what I mean? So, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube. If you want to do this on a social network, you can go to my YouTube at JNL TV. That's JNEL space TV.